Toyota Innova 2016 onward, installed for Cogoo S series Lite, 2GB RAMs, 16GB storage, IPS screen. Okay, connect with Cogoo night view reverse camera. And convex 10.1 inch IPS screen roof monitor, ultra slim. So ultra slim roof monitor, fully follow head unit display. And add on a Cogoo night view front camera, front parking camera. Toyota Innova. It's got a special OEM casing, good fitting OEM casing, IPS screen, multi-angle view, still the same color, OEM socket plug and play. Let me show you for reverse camera. It's got a fixed line, green, yellow, red, so back to normal. Add on two-way camera converter, so we'll auto front cam 10 seconds for front camera view. After 10 seconds, back to normal. Okay, Android player, full menu. So setting, gray color setting, Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi, pairing with your phone, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Blue color car setting. The first sound setting is equalizer, so it's got a hi-fi on off, preset, system info, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, factory password 8888. GPS detect. It's got a GPS antenna here. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime. Steering wheel control, steering setting, and change your boot logo. Okay, this player got a video input and video output. Video output is connected to the roof monitor, so it's the same display view with the front front head unit. Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth call. It's got a mic input here, so click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. A file manager. So this is 9-inch big screen Android, no DVD, no SD card. It's got a 2 USB slot. So one USB slot we'll put in a drawer. Another USB is hidden inside to connect a Cogoo USB DVR. So let me show you for the DVR. It's got this one, traffic safety apps. Okay, it can record voice, video, and playback. Okay, Android player, you have to log in a Gmail, download app from Play Store, mirror link function, selected phone model, online TV, Papago, you can download APK from web. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps, small icon here, the square rectangle small icon, so clear it one by one or close all. radio.
Boleh. Ni dah kulai ni. Pandai dia tapi nak cakap sebab apa tak?
Okay, change background, long press, change wallpaper, or you crop your own picture, resolution 1024x600, so you can choose from the gallery. Okay, so this is Cogoo S series Lite, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, IPS screen. Okay, with OEM special casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play for Toyota Innova 2016 onward. Video by 1bis and record by Andy. Thank you.